Let me ask you one question. How many times have you lost yourself trying to please the world? You're giving everyone your energy, your time, your focus. But what are you getting in return? In 2025, it's time to change that. It's time to stop explaining. Stop chasing approval. Stop wasting your power on people who don't even notice when you're empty. This video isn't just a speech, it's a challenge to focus on yourself and stay silent while you build the life you know you're capable of. And if you're tired of the noise, tired of the fake smiles, tired of the same cycle, then you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button right now, because this channel is where your transformation begins. Let's go. Scene 1. The power of silence. They told you silence is weakness. But what if I told you that silence is your weapon? When you're silent, they underestimate you. When you're focused, they don't see you coming. Silence isn't absence, it's alignment. You're not ignoring the world, you're rebuilding your own. The loudest person in the room seeks attention. The strongest person in the room doesn't need it. In 2025, your silence will speak louder than noise ever could. Scene 2. Why focusing on yourself isn't selfish. It's survival. People will tell you to be humble, be available, be nice. But who's telling you to be whole? Focusing on yourself doesn't mean you don't care. It means you finally do. Because the old you, the people pleaser, the overthinker, the one constantly pouring from an empty cup, that version of you can't survive this next chapter. To evolve, you need discipline. You need boundaries. You need silence. Scene 3. Cut the noise, level up quietly. You don't need to post every move. You don't need to explain every decision. Let them wonder. Let them assume. While they scroll, you build. While they talk, you train. While they watch, you work. Success loves silence. And in 2025, your glow-up will be undeniable. Scene 4. Humor plus truth. I know what you're thinking. But what if people think I'm being rude? Let them. You're not a Wi-Fi signal. You don't have to be available to everyone all the time. You're not mean. You're focused. There's a difference. Scene 5. Energy is currency. Spend it wisely. Energy is your most valuable currency. And some of you are bankrupt, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, because you're spending energy on drama, on validation, on people who drain you. In 2025, protect your peace like it's gold, because it is. Your focus is rare. Don't give it away like it's free. Right now, someone is watching you, waiting for you to fail, expecting you to give up. What if you didn't? What if this was the year you shocked them all? What if 2025 is the year you finally became the version of yourself you were always meant to be? This is your moment, not for noise, not for attention, but for power, for control, for peace. Focus on yourself. Silently sharpen your sword, and when the time is right, the world will feel your presence. Stay low, move smart, work hard, and speak only when it's time to say, I did it. If this message hit your soul, don't scroll past it. Hit that subscribe button. Join a tribe of people building quietly and winning loudly. And when you're ready for the next step in your 2025 transformation, watch this new video, linked right here on the end screen. This is your year. Now act like it.